What's the meaning of charter school? Charter school. Charter school.
Charter school. Charter school. A charter school is a publicly funded school that operates independently of the traditional public school system. Charter schools are given greater flexibility in their operations and are held accountable for achieving specific academic goals. In exchange for this autonomy, charter schools must follow the terms of their charter, which is a contract between the school and its authorizer, typically a local or state government entity. The result is an alternative educational option that allows for innovation and experimentation within the public education system.